Hi friends, myself Mahesh. In previous topic we have discussed that expansion formulae. आपण expansion formulae हा टॉपिक पाहिलेला आहे. expansion formulae जे काही प्रॅक्टिस सेट आहे ते तुम्ही पूर्ण केलेले असणार आहे. So today we discuss about new chapter, that is 6, factorization of algebraic expression. Okay. In mathematics, factorization of algebraic expression is very important. So that is the base of 8th, 9th standard and 10th standard. Okay. So what is the definition of algebraic expression? So do you know what is the definition of algebraic expression? So they are given that algebraic expression, and algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables. Constants and variables and algebraic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So that process is called as the algebraic expression. Okay, so do you know what is the definition of variable and constant? Do you know? So that is an algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables. Okay, so combination of constants and variable. So that algebraic operations. So that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So what is the definition of variables and constants? For example, here, so that is 9x square. Okay, 9x square is the algebraic expression. 9x square is the algebraic expression. So that example, so there are given that 9 is called as the constant. So 9 is called as the constant and x is called as the variable. Okay, x is called as the variable. So 9 is called as the constant, x is called as the variable. So 9 is constant value. That is called as also called as the coefficient. That is also called as the coefficient, and x is the variable. So that is x is a not fixed value and 9 is constant is the fixed value. 9 is the constant is the fixed value. So that is every constant is the fixed value. Every constant is the fixed value, and if the given are in small letter, alphabetically small letter A to Z, any one of these, so that is the variable and that is the not fixed value. So that is the not fixed value. So that is the constant and variable. So that is a combination of, so there are given that 9 into x square. Okay, 9 multiply x square. So that is a combination of, so that is a combination of constants and variables, constants and variables of the algebraic operation, addition, subtraction. So there are given that multiplication. So there are given that multiplication. So that is called as the algebraic expression. So that is the 9x square is the algebraic expression. Okay. Give another example of that algebraic expression here. 2m square plus 9m plus 9. Okay. So that is the algebraic expression. So that is the algebraic expression. So there are given that 2 is the constant, m is the variable. 2 is the constant, m is the variable. So that is one term. So that is the one term. So there are given that 9 is the constant, m is the variable. So that is the another term of the 9m, and 9 is the also. So that is a combination of algebraic expression. So that is the 9 is written in form. So 9x raised to 0. So that is the m raised to 0. Because m raised to 0 is the one value. So 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So written in form of that m raised to 0. So there are m is the variable, and every term is the constant is 2, 9 and 9. Okay. So that is called as the algebraic expression. In definition of algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables, algebraic operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So there are given that addition. So there are given that addition. We written in form of this negative sign. So that is the subtraction. So that is the algebraic expression. Okay. So that is the definition of algebraic expression. So that is algebraic expression in 3 type of algebraic expression. So that is the monomial, binomial and trinomial. monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Okay. So we need, so that is the first definition of polynomial. So that is polynomial. The index of every variable is whole number. Okay. Here, what is the definition of polynomial? So that is the index of every variable is the whole number. The index of every variable is the whole number. So that an expression is called as the polynomial. So that an expression is called as the polynomial. Here 9x square. 9x square. So do you know 9 is called as constant, x is called as the variable. 9 is called as constant, so that is also called as coefficient. X is called as the variable. Okay. So 9 ला constant म्हटलं जातं, x ला variable म्हटलं जातं. आणि so there are given that the index of every variable. So that is a variable is x. So index is 2. Index is 2. So that is a whole number. तो कसा आहे whole number असा आहे. Okay. So 2 is the whole number. पूर्ण संख्या आहे. Whole number means पूर्ण संख्या. Whole number means पूर्ण संख्या. So okay. So 9x square is the polynomial. 9x square is the polynomial. जर index of every variable, प्रत्येक चलाचा घातांक, प्रत्येक चल means variable, प्रत्येक चलाचा घातांक means index, प्रत्येक चलाचा घातांक हा जर होल नंबर असेल, पूर्ण संख्या असेल, तर त्या एक्सप्रेशनला आपण पॉलिनॉमियल म्हटलं जातं. ओके. सो दॅट इज पॉलिनॉमियल डेफिनेशन. द इंडेक्स ऑफ एव्हरी व्हेरिएबल. सो देयर आर गिवन दॅट अनदर एक्झाम्पल हियर m raised to 9 plus 9x 9 m raised to 5 minus 9 m raised to 4 plus 9 by 3 m raised to 2. Okay. So that is the algebraic expression. So that is also polynomial. So which type of polynomial? So that is the polynomial because so there are given that m is the variable. So that index is 9. So that is the whole number. So there are given that m is the variable. So that index is 5. So that is the whole number. M is variable. So that index is 4. So that is also whole number. And m is the variable. So that index is 2. So that is also whole number. So every variable. So there are given that algebraic expression. Every variable. So m. प्रत्येक चलाचा घातांक. So whole number. So that expression is called as the polynomial. Okay. So that polynomial is three type of polynomial. So that is the monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Okay. So what is the definition of monomial? So only one term is called as a monomial. A polynomial in which only one term. So that is a 9x square. Only one term. Okay. So that is called a monomial. Binomial. A polynomial in which two term is called as a binomial. So that is the 9x square plus 9 3m raised to 3 plus 8. So that is the only term, two term, 1 2 1 2. So that is the only two term is called as binomial. So minus 5 is the monomial because only one term. So written in form minus 5, also written in x raised to 0. Minus 5x raised to 0. So minus 5 means minus 5x raised to 0 because x raised to 0 do you know one value. So that is the minus 5 into 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay. So that is the monomial. And trinomial, a polynomial in which three terms are given. So that is called as the trinomial. So that is a x square plus bx plus c. So there are given that three terms. For example, 9x square plus minus 2x plus 9. Okay. So there are given that three terms, 1, 2, and 3. So that is called as the trinomial. So that is called as the trinomial. So what is definition of term? It is separated in algebraic expression, separated for addition and subtraction. म्हणजे काय केलं जातं? Addition and subtraction पासून सेपरेट केलं जातं, त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? टर्म म्हणतात. So that is one term, two term, one term, two term, 1 2 3 1 2 3. सेपरेट कसं केलंय? मायनस ने केलंय, ऍडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन केलंय, ऍडिशन ने केलंय. ओके. So that is the term. Okay. Here algebraic expression and polynomial is the definition of algebraic expression. Is the definition of algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables and algebraic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so now see discuss about the factorization of algebraic expression. Factorization of algebraic expression. Okay, now let us algebraic expression. So how to factorize this algebraic expression? So there are that first example 4xy plus 8xy square. याचं काय करायचं फॅक्टरायझेशन करायचं म्हणजे फॅक्टर पाडायचे. How to calculate of this factor of this expression algebraic expression? So there are given that 4xy plus 8xy square. So there are given that 2 into 2. So that is a factor of 2 into 2, that is factor of 4. So into x into y. So that is a factor of 4xy is the 2 into 2 into x into y plus okay 8. So that is a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x into y into y. Here 4 is the factor of 2 into 2. So x is x, y is y plus 8 factor is the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry, so there are given that only 2. So that is the 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. So that is the 2 into 2 into 2, that is factor of 8 into x into y into y. So y square is the y into y. Okay. Now see यामध्ये आता असणारे कॉमन जे काही व्हेरिएबल कॉन्स्टंट आहे ते बाजूला काढायचे. सो देयर आर गिवन दॅट 2 okay. So 2 now x okay. Now y and y. Now remain so into y. Okay. आता इथे काय राहिले बा हे 2 हे x आणि हे x निघून गेले. सो दॅट इज 1 ओनली 1 रिमेनिंग प्लस इथं 2 राहिलेला आहे आणि इथं y राहिलेला आहे. ओके. सो दॅट इज द 2 into 2 4xy in bracket 1 plus 2y. 4xy in bracket 1 plus 2y. So that is the factor of that algebraic expression 4xy plus 8xy square. Okay, so that is the factor of 4xy plus 8xy square. Okay, so that is the factor. Now second example p square minus 9q square. So p square minus 9q square. Here p square minus 3 square 9q square. Okay, so that is 3 square is equal to 9, q square is equal to q square. Here use the identity a square minus b square. So do you know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. हे मागील पाठामध्ये आपण एक्सपान्शन फॉर्म्युला मध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे. a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So there are known that p square means a square and 3q means b. So that is square. Use that proportion of that p plus. So a plus b means p plus 3q and p minus 3q. Okay. So that is the factor of p square minus 9q square is equal to p plus 3q and p minus 3q. Okay. So that is the factor of algebraic expression p square minus 9q square and factor of 4xy in bracket 1 plus 2y is the factor of 4xy plus 8y square. ओके. यावरून अशा पद्धतीने आपण काय करू शकतो फॅक्टरायझेशन करू शकतो काय अल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशनचं फॅक्टर काढू शकतो. त्यानंतर आपण पाहणार आहोत. सो दॅट इज द क्वाड्रॅटिक ट्रायनोमियल. क्वाड्रॅटिक ट्रायनोमियल. ओके. हियर okay, factorization of algebraic expression. So there are given that ax square plus bx plus c. So that is called as the quadratic trinomial. Is called as the quadratic trinomial. So that expression is called as the quadratic trinomial. Why this quadratic trinomial? So there are given that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now see how to calculate of this factor in algebraic expression of quadratic trinomial. So there are given that first example x square plus 5x plus c is equal to 0. याचे काय करायचे आपल्याला फॅक्टर पाडायचे. आता फॅक्टर पाडताना सो तो जो दिलेला एक्सप्रेशन आहे ते क्वाड्रॅटिक ट्रायनोमियल आहे का म्हणजे पाहून घ्या. सो दॅट इज द ax square plus bx plus c या जनरल फॉर्म मध्ये आहे का ते पाहायचं, चेक करायचं. ओके, सो दॅट इज द x square plus 5x plus c is equal to 0. So a means 1 because there are factor is 1, coefficient is 1. Okay, so that x square coefficient is 1, so that x coefficient is 5 and that the coefficient is c, so that is a constant value c. Okay, now c means 6, b means 5, so b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 6. Okay, now a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 6 हे काढल्यानंतर आपल्याला a आणि c जो फर्स्ट टर्म आहे आणि लास्ट टर्म आहे याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं. बघा, सो फर्स्ट टर्म आणि लास्ट टर्म याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं आहे, कोणाचं कोएफिशिएंटचं करायचं. सो a into c, so that is the a into c. So there are given that a means 1, so that value is 1, coefficient 1, and c means constant value, so that is the c is equal to 6, so that is the 6. So 1 into 6 is equal to 6. Okay, आता या 6 चे असे फॅक्टर पाडा की मल्टिप्लिकेशन करा की या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 6 आलं पाहिजे, या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 6 आलं पाहिजे आणि या दोघांचं ऍडिशन किंवा सबट्रॅक्शन मिडल टर्म आली पाहिजे, प्लस 5 आली पाहिजे. ओके, कोणती टर्म आली पाहिजे, प्लस 5 आली पाहिजे. सो अशा पद्धतीने कोणतं करू शकता बघा. इथं आपण 1 into 6 पहिले बघा 1 into 6, सो 1 into 6 is equal to 6 म्हणजे दोघांचा गुणाकार 6 होतोय. आता ऍडिशन आणि सबट्रॅक्शन बघा, 6 minus 1 किंवा 1 6 म्हणजे 6 मधून 1 वजा केलं तर 6 येते. ओके, सो आपण मिडल साइन हे मोठ्या संख्येला देऊन टाकायचं. मिडल साइन हे जे मिडल साइन आहे हे मोठ्या संख्येला काय करून टाकायचं, देऊन टाकायचं. ओके, सो दॅट इज द प्लस 6. आता इथे काय केल्यानंतर प्लस 5 येईल, इथं मायनस केलं म्हणजे 6 minus 1 is equal to 6. ओके, पण या दोघांचा गुणाकार बघा, -1 into plus 6 is equal to 6 येतोय का, नाही तो -6 येतोय. So that is not equivalent. ओके, तर हे आपण घेऊ शकत नाही. नाव दुसरे फॅक्टर बघा कुठले जातात, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 2 6. सो नाव मिडल टर्म प्लस आहे. ओके, सो प्लस दिलं. आता काय केल्यानंतर प्लस केल्यानंतर किंवा मायनस केल्यानंतर काय होईल, 6 होईल. काय होईल, सो दॅट इज 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. ओके, so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. या दोघांचा गुणाकार ही संख्या आली पाहिजे आणि या दोघांची वजाबाकी किंवा बेरीज मिडल टर्म आली पाहिजे. बघा, आपल्याला 3 into 6 या दोघांचा गुणाकार 6 येतोय आणि या दोघांची बेरीज येते +5. ओके, सो हे जे आलेलं आहे हे 3x and 2x हे आपण हे जे आलेले फॅक्टर आहे हे मिडल टर्म साठी वापरायचे. सो दॅट इज x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. ओके, सो या मिडल टर्म साठी हे दोन फॅक्टर वापरायचे. काय वापरू शकता बघा, x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. ओके, बघा मी काय केलंय, a आणि c चा गुणाकार केलाय. सो दॅट इज 1 into c, a into c is equal to 6. याचे असे अवयव पाडलेत, याचे असे फॅक्टर पाडलेत, या दोघांचा गुणाकार ही आली संख्या आली पाहिजे आणि या दोघांचा वजाबाकी किंवा बेरीज मिडल टर्म आली पाहिजे. ते कोणते आले, 3x आणि 2x आले. जे आले ते आपण मिडल टर्म साठी वापरायचं. म्हणजे हे वापरायचं नाही, 5x बाजूला ठेवायचं आणि त्याच्या जागी हे जे काही फॅक्टर आले ते इथं वापरायचे. ओके, म्हणजे 5x च्या जागी आपण 3x आणि 2x वापरू. ओके, याचे दोन भाग होतात. ओके, सो याचे फॅक्टर कसे पाडता बघा आपण, x into x, x square means x into x plus 3 into x plus 2 into x plus 2 into 3 is equal to 0. Okay, here x into x, x square, 3 into x, 3x plus 2 into x, 2x, 6, 2 into 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now see, make the two group and common factor यामधून माझा बाहेर काढा. सो दॅट इज x आणि हा x बाजूला रिमेनिंग x प्लस 3 ओके. हे x आणि हे x बाजूला काढलं. हे x इथं आहे, इथं x निघून गेलेला आहे त्यामुळे x इथं लिहिलं आणि 3 इकडून पुढे नाही इथं लिहिलं. सो x इंटू इन ब्रॅकेट x प्लस 3. आता इथं कॉमन बघा हे 2 आहे, हे 2 आहे प्लस 2 आणि प्लस हे 2 बाजूला बाहेर काढलं आणि जो हा इथं x प्लस 3 आला तोच इथं लिहायचा x प्लस 3. ओके. नाउ से त्या दोन्हीपैकी एकदाच लिहायचा x प्लस 3 आणि हा x प्लस 2. So that is the factor of x square plus 5x plus 6. x square plus 5x plus 6 म्हणजे x square plus 5x plus 6 याचे फॅक्टर x plus 3 x plus 2. ओके. x plus 3 x plus 2 हे x square plus 5x plus 6 चे काय फॅक्टर आहे. ओके. नाउ सी हे लिहून घ्या व्यवस्थित म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजून येईल. ओके. अशा पद्धतीने आपण फॅक्टरायझेशन अल्जेब्रिक इक्वेशन चे फॅक्टर काढू शकतो. ओके. हे सगळं पहा, याची डेफिनेशन लिहून घ्या. हे जे काही मी सॉल्व्ह करून दिलेले एक्झाम्पल आहे परत एकदा पहा, ते लिहून घ्या. यावर आधारित असणारे एक्झाम्पल परत एकदा मी काय करून देईन तुम्हाला सॉल्व्ह करून देईन. त्या अगोदर तुम्हाला 2 एक्झाम्पल मी होमवर्क साठी देतो. 2x² + 5x - 18 2x² + 5x - 18 and 3x² - 10x + 21 x² - 3x 10x + 21. ही दोन एक्झाम्पल काय करा तुम्ही होमवर्क साठी सॉल्व्ह करून घ्या. ही दोन एक्झाम्पल मी परत उद्याच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी काय करून देईन तुम्हाला सॉल्व्ह करून देईन. ओके. थँक्यू.